here. When leaving Auckland and heading south, the colour green and sheep dominate the gently curving landscape. Just over the hill, a small, timeless village by a lake appears. It's Hobbiton, one of the filming locations for Lord of the Rings, the well-known film directed by New Zealander Peter Jackson. Inspired by an English medieval village, the village of the Hobbits was created from scratch for production. It became a tourist attraction, and today you can visit a place that was popular with the Hobbits, the Green Dragon Inn.